Welcome back to Reina's channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan, some solid prep before you go is a must.
Today, we're exploring the charm of Japan's traditional homes, known as Kominka. These beautiful houses, many over 100 years old, have been carefully restored and are now attracting visitors from all over the world. What makes these historic homes so special? Why are more travelers choosing them over modern hotels? Join us as we step into a world where old-world charm meets modern comfort and discover a unique side of Japan's culture and lifestyle. And make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'll be revealing Reina's top 5 favorite Kominka stays in Japan. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of Japanese Kominka and start the journey.
Japan.
What is a kominka? A kominka is a traditional Japanese house, typically built over 150 years ago. These homes are constructed from natural materials like wood, earth, and straw, maintaining their timeless beauty even after centuries. One of the most striking features of kominka is the thick beams and pillars. Each piece was carefully handcrafted by artisans, showcasing traditional craftsmanship that still resonates today. With a growing emphasis on sustainable living, many of these historical houses are being renovated and repurposed for modern use. Step into Japan. As you step into a kominka, the first thing you'll notice is the doma, a transitional area where you remove your shoes before stepping up onto the wooden floor. This simple act reflects the Japanese tradition of separating the inside from the outside. The earthy scent and warmth of the wood create a calming atmosphere, inviting you to slow down and savor a different pace of life compared to modern living. The magic of the irori. Many kominka feature an irori, a traditional sunken hearth, at their center. This multifunctional space was used for cooking, heating, and gathering with family. Sitting by the crackling fire, surrounded by the comforting aroma of burning wood, feels like stepping back in time. Today, there are places where you can sit around an irori and enjoy local cuisine, making it a unique and memorable experience during your visit. Relax on the engawa. A kominka wouldn't be complete without its garden. Designed with the aesthetics of a Japanese garden, the space balances stones, plants, and water features beautifully. Depending on the season, you can enjoy cherry blossoms in spring, lush greenery in summer, vibrant autumn leaves, or a serene, snowy landscape in winter. Another highlight is the engawa, a wooden veranda connecting the house to the garden. Sitting here with a cup of tea, soaking in the tranquil view, is an irreplaceable moment of peace. How to experience a kominka. These days, many kominka have been renovated into guest houses or cafes. Staying in one allows you to fully immerse yourself in their charm. Imagine waking up to sunlight streaming through traditional paper screens and enjoying coffee. Surrounded by nature, it's an unforgettable way to start your day. Some areas also offer workshops, where you can try activities like pottery or washi paper making, providing a deeper connection to the local culture and traditions. Conclusion. When visiting Japan, consider staying at a renovated kominka in the countryside. It's a wonderful opportunity to experience life, as it was in historical Japan while connecting with local people and traditions. These unique experiences will surely leave you with cherished memories of your journey.
Japan.
So, what did you think? After watching this video, are you starting to feel like staying in a traditional Japanese kominka instead of a regular hotel on your next trip to Japan? All right, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. It's time to reveal Reina's top 5 favorite kominka stays in Japan. Let's start with number 5. The 5th place is Togenkyo Iya no Yamazato in Tokushima Prefecture. This unique accommodation consists of beautifully restored kominka houses that are over 100 years old, scattered throughout the stunning Iya Valley, one of Japan's 3 great hidden regions. Surrounded by dramatic mountains and breathtaking scenery, staying here feels like stepping back in time to old Japan. It's a truly special place where you can experience both nature and traditional culture.
Next up, let's talk about number 4.
The 4th place is Nipponia Izumo Hirata Momen Kaido in Shimane Prefecture. Located in a historic district that once prospered as a major cotton trading center, this charming kominka stay offers a peaceful glimpse into Japan's past. It's also a great place to visit alongside Izumo Taisha Shrine. Here, you can slow down, enjoy local cuisine, and experience the traditional industries and culture that have shaped the region for centuries.
Now moving on to number 3.
And in third place is Sawara Merchant Town Hotel Nipponia in Chiba Prefecture. This dispersed-style hotel transforms historic merchant houses in the picturesque canal town of Sawara into unique guest accommodations. As you stroll along the Ono River or take a traditional boat ride, you'll experience the atmosphere of Japan's Edo period. Another big plus is its convenient access from Narita Airport.
Now for number 2.
And in second place is Nipponia Takahara Saltworks Town in Hiroshima Prefecture. Set among beautifully preserved historic buildings, this Kominka stay allows guests to experience the peaceful charm of the Seidochi region. Wander through streets lined with traditional white-walled houses and enjoy a slower pace of life. Since it's still relatively undiscovered by international tourists, it's perfect for travelers looking for a deeper cultural experience.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 pick. Drum roll, please!
Reina's number 1 favorite Kominka stay in Japan is Miyama Futon and Breakfast in Kyoto Prefecture. Located in the famous thatched roof village of Miyama, this beloved Kominka stay offers one of the most authentic rural experiences in Japan. From gathering around a traditional irori hearth to enjoying the beautiful Satoyama countryside, you'll discover a side of Japan that many visitors never get to see. Peaceful, charming, and full of character, it's the perfect place to experience the true spirit of traditional Japan.
A Kominka is much more than just a place to stay. Within these historic homes live the stories, wisdom, and traditions that have been passed down through generations, as well as Japan's deep respect for living in harmony with nature. Touching the old wooden beams, gathering around a glowing irori hearth, and taking in the peaceful beauty of the countryside are experiences that can transform a simple trip into an unforgettable journey. So, the next time you visit Japan, why not skip the ordinary hotel and spend a night in a Kominka? You might just discover a side of Japan that most travelers never get to see, the true heart and soul of this remarkable country. There are still so many hidden gems all across Japan, and I'll be sharing more useful tips and fun discoveries in future videos, so stay tuned. If you want to be the first to know when a new video drops, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if there's anything about Japan you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear your ideas. Oh, and one more thing. I just launched a brand new website with blog posts related to the video. You can also find info on related tours and even shop for souvenirs. Check it out from the link in the description box below. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara!